7 years ago, this young man left his mother and his siblings to go and serve a master. Unknown to him, he is going to take his own life after 7 years of serving his master. A Nigerian man, Anichisom, ended his life due to frustration following his master's refusal to settle him after serving him for 7 good solid years in Lagos State. Explaining his decision to end it all, late Anichisom in his suicide note said that his boss Innocent Olase of Otolokas refused to settle him after 7 years of hard labor. This is what he stated in his suicide note, which he titled "God is the Greatest."
I have tried my best to be somebody in life, but life is not fair with me, to the extent that I served with hard labor, but nothing came out of it, cause my master refused to settle me, and it's affecting and aching me so emotionally. I've tried to bear the pain, but it is very hard for me to bear, so I have to end it all, because I'm very tired and my spirit is dead already. To my mom, I know it will hurt her badly. I'm her favorite and she has cared for me so much to be something in life. But I am so sorry, Mom. I couldn't make it cause things aren't working fine for me all my lifetime. And for my Oga Innocent Olase Otolomotos, we will meet each other sooner. But before we meet, you will hear from me. You made me go through a lot after 7 years of hard labor with you. I'm supposed to be a businessman now and not to be frustrated by you for what you did to me. For my brothers and sisters, Choma, Ruth, Ekene, Uche, I love you all so much. I promise to make way for you all with everything I have to do. Bye, till we meet again. The woman I'm living with is such a nice and wonderful woman, and God bless her abundantly for all she has done and all she did.
After writing this suicide note, he took a poisonous substance and ended his life. What do you think about this story? Do you think taking his life was the best option for him?